Welcome back to the Credit Specialist Expert Series. Become a specialist, become an expert, and gain more customers. This is the final video. This is video 7. And in this video, I'm going to show you the top 9 secrets and how to take your expert status and deliver it to the world. Now, here's the thing. At the end of this video, I have a super bonus that's not only going to show you how to take your expert status and let the world know about what you do, but it's going to show you how to put it on steroids. So you definitely want to watch this video all the way through for the 10th secret, which I call it the credit repair business bonus, on how to take your expert status and let the world know about what you do. Now, what is the purpose of becoming an expert if the world does not know what you can do? If you are in a credit repair business, what is the purpose of becoming an expert if the world does not know what you do? So make sure you watch this video all the way through, especially for the super bonus, the super secret bonus on how to put your expert status, meaning deliver your message to the world on steroids. If you're ready, let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about the first secret on how to do this. Let's check it out. Expert status number 1. So you have an expertise and you want to let the world know about your expertise. One of the ways you can do that is through video. That's right. Video will capture people a lot more than images. Video is dominating the world. Video is taking over. Everything you see is about video. Now, images are great for like Instagram, but for YouTube and Facebook, the video is it. See, here's the thing about video. With video, it connects you. It establishes a bond, an emotional connection. And one of the ways that you can deliver your expertise status is through recording a video teaching someone something on how to do something, how to solve a problem. Teach them something on your expertise on how to solve a problem. Now, you use video platforms to deliver your message. You can start with a simple prop, a cell phone. That's right. You see, I'm recording this video right here on a cell phone and a mic. You see this mic right here? It's called Smart Mic. So I'm using this Smart Mic and I'm using my cell phone along with a tripod to record this video. Now, you can use your cell phone or you can use a webcam on your desktop to record a video as long as you have a nice background like mine's have. It doesn't have to be a professional studio. You don't have to hire a camera crew or anything like that. You just need some basic stuff to record your message. Now, once you record the video, you need distribution of that video, right? So you take that video and you put it everywhere. You put it on your website. You put it on your thank you page. You put it on YouTube. You put it on Facebook. You put it on Twitter. You put it on LinkedIn. You put it on Instagram. You see, that is your vehicle to distribute your expert status message. And that is video. Now, we talked about video. That's a secret number 1. Now let's go on to secret number 2. All right, so what is secret number 2? Secret number 2 in the credit repair business to get your expertise out is content marketing. See, if you have an expertise, you want people to know about it. You want people to know that you are an expert at whatever you say you are an expert in. So in order to do that, you can use the secret content marketing. That's right. You go out and you find people who are good at writing content. And then you hire them and ask them, can you write content for me on my particular area? Of course, you give them some guidance, but you want to utilize content market on your website. You have somebody write a long piece of content, put it on your website, put it on your Facebook, put it on your Instagram. You can even have that content turned into audio and you can put that on YouTube. You can promote the content. You can use ways to promote the content to get your idea out there. You can even use press releases to promote content for your expertise. So the second secret here is content marketing. Learn it, do it, and I'm telling you, it would bring more awareness to your company. Secret number 3, Facebook Lives, YouTube Lives. That's right. If you want to get your word out, you want to show people that you're an expert, start doing Facebook Lives and YouTube Lives. Now here's the difference between the two. On Facebook, Lives are okay. It depends. I don't see a lot of traction with Facebook Lives. But here's the thing, it's not about going live with Facebook, it's about the people who watch your live after you go live. You see, don't get discouraged because you have 4 people on your Facebook Live. Because after it's recorded, that's where everybody begins to watch your Facebook Live. And during that recording and during that post recording, you can demonstrate your expertise in the Facebook Live. The same thing with YouTube. If you have a YouTube following, you probably want to do YouTube Lives. If you don't have a YouTube following, I'm not sure if you want to do YouTube Lives, right? But you can still do YouTube Lives because YouTube will still show your lives at the top of the channel. So Facebook Lives and YouTube Lives is the third secret in the credit repair business and how to become an expert in your particular industry. Do you want to know what the 4th secret is? And the 4th secret is audio podcast. Audio podcast, that's right. Create a podcast show to display your expertise in whatever it is that you want to focus on. That's right. You can create your own radio show online using a podcast, right? There's popular podcasts on iTunes. There's popular podcasts on Stitchers. You can even do a video podcast. But any way you want to do it, these are distribution outlets to get your word out. These are distribution outlets to let people know what you can do, who you are, why they should listen to you, why are you the authority. These are distribution outlets that would allow you to get your name out, your brand out, your word out. And that is podcasts. Remember, iTunes, Stitchers are the 2 most popular podcast platforms out there on the market. All right, so you want to know what the 5th secret is to becoming an expert? Is webinars. That's right. Host webinars. Let people know about your expertise by teaching them and training them first in webinars. And when you train them in webinars and you teach them in webinars, then they fall in love with you. That's right. So get good at webinars, learn everything you could about webinars, and I guarantee you that people will see you as the expert. That's right. Webinars, get it in your mind, stick it in your mind. Like I said before, webinars is another tool to get your message out to the world so they will know that you are the expert. And what is the next secret? The credit repair business secret that's going to allow you to let the world know about your business. And that will be workshops. That's right. Whether it's offline or online workshops. Have you ever asked yourself, when was the last time you did a workshop? When was the last time you've taken the time to educate someone on a workshop? So when this coronavirus thing is all over, then you should start thinking about doing workshops in your local area to educate people about what it is that you do. And if you can't do them offline, bring the workshop online and you can do a workshop online. That is another secret, another tool, another vehicle to help get your word out to the world and let them see that you are the expert that you say you are. The next secret, case studies. That's right. Do you even know what a case study is? Do you know how powerful a case study is? You see, a case study is a study of how you have helped another customer of yours become successful at what it is that you were trying to help them with. So you solved the problem. You help one of your customers solve a problem, and we call that a case study. So use case studies to show your expertise. And if you can use case studies to show your expertise, then people will start to believe in you as well. So that's another secret in the credit repair business. Use case studies to show your expertise. And another secret. That's right, I didn't run out of secrets. Remember, I told you there was 9 interviews. An interview could be you interviewing a customer that you helped solve a problem for, right? So say, for example, you took your expertise, you helped some customer resolve their issue, and then you turned around and asked them, hey, listen, can you give me an interview so I can ask you exactly what I did and how I helped you resolve your issue? So interviews can be another powerful way for you to distribute your expertise to the world, to let the world know that you know what you're talking about. So let's check out interviews as another secret, another powerful secret, and another way, another secret on how, this is number 9, on how you can get your message out to the world to let them know that you are an expert in your particular topic, and that's special reports. A special report is like a giant 5,000-page report detailing a specific topic, answering problems in that report. That means you put together, you wrote or you hire someone to write this detailed report showing the consumer how they can resolve their issue in this detailed report. And that is number 9 secret. It's called special reports. And you don't even have to write anything. You can hire someone to write this for you. And that's why it's so powerful. Now, like I said before, if you stayed to the end of my 9 secrets, I was going to give you the number 1 bonus. The number 1 bonus that you can take all of this and put it on steroids. Now, are you ready? Drumline. Are you ready? Let me know if you are ready. If you are ready, say I'm ready. All right, here we go. So number 10 bonus is paid ads. That's right. If you want thousands and thousands or even millions of people to see your expertise, get a video, get an article, get one piece of asset and run an ad and put as much money as you can behind that ad, and you would get so much exposure for your expertise by running that ad. It's called Jump the Line. You are paying Facebook, Instagram, Google, you're paying YouTube, you are paying all these platforms to jump the line. You're paying them so they can put you ahead of everyone else that's currently ahead. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed my 7-part series on how to become an expert. I have a lot of links below this video right here that you should check out and you should invest in, because I always want to be your mentor. I always want to provide you with the right information that you need to grow your business in the credit restoration industry. This is Mark Claiborne, the founder of ClientDisputeManagerSoftware.com and the lead trainer for Top Traffic Secrets Gurus Do Not Want You to Know. That's my powerful 7-hour masterclass that's taking place on Saturday, July the 3rd. We still have tickets available. Look below, click the link. I hope to see you guys there. Take care.